you all. So join me as I put a law of attraction to the ultimate test to try to manifest everything I want by doing absolutely nothing. Yes, you hear it right, that I'm going to explain you and I'm going to take a challenge in which I'm going to manifest everything by absolutely nothing. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. I'm Vandana and you are watching my YouTube channel, My Happiness LOA. So today we are exploring the fascinating world of manifestation and the law of attraction. Okay, so there are so many different perspectives on how to bring desire into the reality. But today I want to dive into the unique techniques of Dolores Cannon, who suggests that manifestation can be achieved through non-action. Yes, non-action. That's right. I want to talk about how doing nothing can get you everything you want. Kitna amazing hai. It's really very amazing that you get everything, but you don't need to do extra effort for that. Okay, I'll explain it here very nicely. Okay, one of the biggest misconception about the law of attraction is that it requires constant effort and hard work. We need to set a clear goal, create vision board, and take consecutive action towards your desire. But these strategies can work, but they can also lead to the sense of struggle, like we are pushing ourselves by pushing and make something happen, and we just exerted, and that situation I faced it aloud in case of channel monetization. I force myself so much for doing the same work very hard. We are led to believe that if we just work hard enough, our dream will become a reality. But what if I told you that there is different way also? What if instead of pushing and starving, we simply allow our dream to come to us? What if instead of pushing and starving, we simply allow our desire to come to us? What if instead of trying to control the universe, we surrender to its flow, natural flow? That is what Dolores Cannon suggests. And today, I want to explore this concept only for you. Are you excited? Yes. When we are stuck in the push-pull mentality, we can get caught up into the feeling of frustration and disappointment. We start to wonder if we are good enough, we are not good enough, or if we are doing enough or not. If we just not cut out these manifestation thing, but what if we could release all the tension and simply trust the universe are in the bag? Universe is with you. Just trust that. Dolores Cannon techniques offer a refreshing perception on manifestation, one that emphasizes the power of aligning our thought and energy with what we desire. It's not about taking massive action or working ourselves to the bones. It's about being in the state of allowing trust and receptives. It's about trusting that the universe is always working in our favor, even when we cannot see the bigger picture. As you can see, we constantly repeat the affirmation that universe is working for me, universe is with me, universe is working for me. Yes, that's why, because I trust the universe so much. When we are in the state of allowing, we start to vibrate at a higher frequency. Once that more in the line with what we want to create, we start to feel more positive, more hopeful, more expected, and that's when the magic really happens. When you surrender to the universe, that universe is always working out for me. How? I don't know, but I trust that universe bring my desire with me. That's when the universe can start conspire in our favor, bringing us opportunities and experience that align with our desire. One of the most powerful insights from the Dolores Cannon is that we must be in the state of trust in order to receive what we want. We cannot be stuck in mindset of fear, doubt, or anxiety, because that just blocks the flow of abundance. when the manifestation process become effortless. In that case, you have to not do anything, because the journey is become very effortless. It's not about forcing something to happen. Now, it's about allowing it to happen naturally. And that, my friend, is the key of manifesting everything you just want, doing absolutely nothing. So today we discuss the micro conception of the manifestation, and we explore the Dolores Cannon technique on manifestation through non-action. We dive into the importance of aligning our thought and energy with what we desire, and we highlights the power of trust and we highlight the power of trust and receptives in the manifestation process. So trust the universe, repeat the affirmation, and just surrender yourself to the universe and go with the flow. So go with the natural flow. I have more than 10 example of my life itself. I will share it with you later. But if you like the video, please share with your friends and family. So thank you for watching, everyone. And what do you think about manifestation effortlessly? Share your thought in the comment section or below. And if you are interested in more content on the law of attraction and manifestation, be sure check my next video and full channel. Until then, keep smiling and shining to your light. Okay, thank you so much.